Load your family into the 2020 Honda HR-V. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, a rear window wiper, a tachometer, a trip computer, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.